Hello viewers, top of the day to you. I'm super excited to give you a tour of this beautiful newly constructed 4-bedroom house at Lakeside Estate. Before we get inside, let's go around the house and see what we have. As you can see, it has a really spacious, large compound that can park about 5 cars. And then we have the space left here for horticultural activities. If you're a flower person, sure, you can grow your own plants or even vegetables there. In this area, we have the laundry area, and then it can also serve as an outdoor kitchen where you can cook your momoni and dawa soups. More space for your gardening and horticultural activities. And then this can be a carport. For your baby. Or your choices car. Now let's get inside. This is the guest washroom. And then we have the mud area here where you can leave your shoes and change to the flip-flops for the house or any other thing. Umbrellas can be hung there. This is the living area. What you are seeing here is a storage room. Or a pantry, can serve as a pantry since it's an open kitchen. And then I'm standing at the dining area. And then that's the kitchen. It comes fitted with some appliances, the cooker, microwave, oven, but then you need to add in the fridge and you have a complete kitchen. This is the first bedroom downstairs. Which can serve as a guest washroom, a guest bedroom, or can be for the workers or the staff. Either the driver or the living help. comes with the built-in wardrobes. Now let's go upstairs and check out the other rooms. This is a family area. Then one of the bedrooms upstairs. And now to my favorite part of the home, the primary bedroom. It comes with its own walk-in closet. The room is really big. And this is the washroom. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in similar properties, do give us a call on the numbers below, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you so much.